Veeru invested rupees 10,000 at 5% simple annual interest, and exactly after 2 years, Joy invested rupees 8,000 at 10% simple annual interest. How many years after Veeru's investment will their balances, that is principal plus accumulated interest, be equal? So we know that in case of calculating simple interest, amount is equal to P into 1 plus R into T by 100. So according to question, Veeru's investment would be 10,000 into 1 plus 5 into T by 100, and this is equal to Joy's investment, that is 8,000 into 1 plus 10 into T minus 2 by 100. So simplifying this, we get 5 plus 25T by 100, that is equal to 4 plus 40 into T minus 2 by 100, or 1 equal to 15T by 100 minus 4 by 5, or 15T by 100 equal to 9 by 5, or T equals to 9 into 100 by 15 into 5. So which is equal to 12. So the time period will be 12 years.